Welcome back everyone to the Crypto Rain channel. I'm your host Jay Murph, and today we're going to be going over Reef Finance. Now I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to just do a quick video on it, and I'm going to tell you how I looked at it. I'd heard of it last week and a little bit before. I didn't really look at what was going on till this morning after many of you guys were asking about it. You guys and gals were asking about it. So I took the time to look through it, and I like what I see. First thing that I noticed, it was on the Binance Launchpad. I weigh everything that comes across the Binance Launchpad very high. They're very careful and selective about who they put on the Launchpad, Binance is, and they have very smart people there. So that already gave it some weight and credibility. They've also made some good partnerships with Matic and other companies, so they're doing all the right things. The underlying thing that they're doing is they're a cross-chain DeFi operating system powered by Polkadot. So they're in the right place, right time as well, right? So they are, if you think DeFi, so much of it is built on Ethereum, and the Ethereum network is getting so congested. So what's probably going to be hot is those that are building DeFi, especially not just like copycat DeFis of Uniswap, but they're expanding on it on Polkadot or Cardano or another token that has a mainnet that's got, a blockchain that's got a very fast blockchain that's going to work very good. Say if they built on Silica or something, they'll tend to do really well in this market, especially as Ethereum fees are so painful. So quickly, what I was looking at, unfortunately I wasn't getting some of the information I'd like to get on CoinGecko, so I had to go to CoinMarketCap. See, they weren't showing circulating supply, nothing on market cap. Going to markets, it listed some of the stuff here. We do see that it's on Binance, and they've had a trading competition on Binance all the way through today for the last week. So we're going to jump over to CoinMarketCap. Now, I used to use CoinMarketCap all the time, but what drives me nuts is it used to be very easy to click on this and get information. Unfortunately, as it's popping up, often when you click on this, it takes you to sign up or log in, and it drives me nuts. I just don't have time for that, especially because I look up coins so often. I just don't like the slowdown it causes. So honestly, that's why I use CoinGecko more than CoinMarketCap now. But in this case, CoinGecko didn't have the information I wanted, so I checked here, and sure enough. So the current circulating supply, 3 billion. Total supply, almost 4 billion. What I don't know is the max supply here, and I wish we did know that. And I will have to do further research early next week. So this is one that I am FOMOing in. It's not true FOMO. I think there's 3 levels of investment. It has to do with your level of knowledge as well as the overall potential of things. So the first level of investment is just honestly informed investment. The second level of investment I call speculation. It's more risky. The third level of investment is gambling. I would put this on the speculative. I'm making a speculative investment on this. And only because it's right place, right time. I did the same thing when I looked at Injective, and it was $1.70, and I had been missing its big run. I just wasn't very aware of it till I looked deeply at it. I was like, oh my gosh. I hurried up, ran over to Uniswap, bought a bunch, ran over to one of the exchanges it was on, bought some more with some of the funds I had liquid. And, Injective did very well, but it was right time, right place. It was competitor to synthetics. There was a lot of things going very well with how they were setting it up. I see a lot of the same things I liked about Injective with Reef. I feel like it's right place, right time for me. Now, this isn't financial advice, and please don't construe this or misconstrue this as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who's an investor myself, and these are how I make my decisions and the decisions I make. As to which decisions you make, that's fully on you. All the gains that you make out of it is fully on you, and any losses that you make. We all make losses, and so what I hate to see is somebody blaming someone else for their losses. That's why you have to make these decisions yourself. And Yeah, so overall, I mean, 24 hours, it peaked out at 5 cents. It's retraced a little bit, but if you look at what's going on overall, it was a low at under 1 cent. It's now 5x from there since just a little bit ago, right? A month ago. So we have good stuff going on for it. Sure, this would have been a great time to know more about it, but really here is when the Ethereum fees really started to become very, very painful. And so that's when a lot of the push to alternate chains has been going on. Let's see. So their website, pretty clear, DeFi made easy. The gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation, proprietary analytics, and multi-chain accessibility. Very interesting, right? And the fact that they were on the Binance Launchpad, that says a lot about them very quickly. All right, so I would suggest that you spend some time looking over it. I know this isn't very in-depth. I do have a lot on my plate for this weekend, and so I will be doing a more in-depth analysis next week. But I just want to get something out there and just tell people how I'm looking at it and that I'm interested in it myself. And I don't know if that's helpful to you or not. But yeah, I appreciate those of you who brought this to my attention. I did, before I run out to some appointments this morning, I did want to take a quick look at it. And when I did, I liked what I saw. And I didn't think I had time for the video. I made some time because it was interesting enough to me that I was going to be buying it. Thanks so much. Bye.